Hey, it's Steve. Are you looking to add some interior details or structures on your layout? Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at Roomettes, which is an inexpensive, quick, and easy to use kit for adding those details. Okay, so I picked up one of these Roomettes kits. It comes with all types of basically cardboard type room interiors that you can use. I think it's around 14 or something like that. And it has a list here of the structures that it is designed to fit directly, but you can obviously use these in other structures, and that's what I'm going to do here today. You do get lots of options here for different interior rooms. I've cut out a couple of these already. Some are pretty simple rooms. Some are store interiors and the like, and you get quite a few of these sheets here, which I've already started to play with. Now there's two structures I plan to use these on. One is this DPM kit or Woodland Scenics kit here that I want to add a couple upstairs rooms as well as a lower floor interior. And then I have this Walther's kit, which is a gas station, and I plan to add a very simple interior to this kit as well. Now here is one of the completed rooms. And so basically you fold this up and it fits in the interior of the structure. And then there is a hole in the top where you can glue on one of the just plug LEDs. Now I will say right off the bat that this kit is worth it just for the LEDs. I think you get 14 or 15 LEDs in this package that are just plug compatible. These aren't the actual just plug lights that have the stick on back, but it does have the same plug on it, and you can glue these into wherever you want. So just the LEDs themselves make the kit pretty worthwhile, plus you get all these great paper cutouts. Again, this is one that I have basically already set up for the interior of this structure here, and this will be on the second floor. It does have windows on some of these, and so if you basically put that inside of your structure here in the right spot, it will line up with the window on the side of the structure, so you can see into the interior from both the front and from the side when it's lit up at night. Now for the base of this structure, I'm going to be using this clothing store. However, this is a little bit narrower than the structure is designed for itself. And so the way I'm going to install this is kind of like this. So it will kind of have the appearance of being, going from side to side, even though it technically isn't quite big enough. And so I will just sort of be cutting off these little flaps here that say glue. Normally you would fold it like this and glue the edges there, and then glue on the different racks that will be placed in the floor. So for this structure, what I'm going to go ahead and do is make a little styrene floor that will fit on the interior here. And then I can glue this to that, so I can basically have the sides propped out a little bit, and it'll fit okay. Make some marks here where I need to cut that. Just cut it with a pair of scissors real quick. And line it up on here and just cut it so it's basically the same depth. It doesn't need to be very precise at all. Cut off these flaps that say glue and cut out the doorway as well. I'll just go ahead and glue this to the styrene base. I'm going to make another one for the ceiling section. And I'm just going to mark a spot here for cutting out a hole for the LED. I will glue the ceiling section to the styrene top. And I'm just going to get the walls set up in there and just put some glue in there to hold everything together. And I'm going to go ahead and glue on an LED light in that spot right there. Just add a little bit of glue, pop in the LED, and tape this down for now. Okay, so now I can see I have the LED there at the top, and I have the basic room structure set up. And then there's some different shelving I can add that came with this kit as well. Of course, I also need to add this room in there. And I might go ahead and do one more room, and the rest of the windows I can go ahead and black out. It's pretty quick to build these little rooms. Glue on another LED. It'll fit good here in this middle one again. I'm going to go ahead and black out all the remaining windows. And to do that, I'm just going to use some electrical tape. It's not fantastic, but it works. The light really won't go through the electrical tape, and you'll just have those windows up there blacked out. Okay, so everything is blacked out except these two windows here and the first floor. I'll go ahead and try to stack all these. And see how that fits. Plug them into one of these controllers. And then I'm just going to use a pair of 9-volt batteries connected together like in series so I can make 18 volts and power this. And boom, that looks pretty darn good. So there you go, one structure with interior details and lighting. You can see through that side window on each side as well. Okay, for this gas station, I'm just going to do things pretty simply here. There's a kind of a convenience store one, and then there's another like auto parts one. I'm just going to combine these together. Just glue these flaps together to make one large sort of store interior. So just a couple dabs of glue and I have that interior in there. Then I spray paint some styrene for the floor, and I'll glue that in place here in a minute once this dries. I'll just add a little bit of glue to the base here. And there's the interior of our gas station. So once again, these Roomettes kits are really nice, really fast and easy to get detailed interiors on your structures. So if you are planning on lighting up your structures, or even if you're not planning on lighting them up, but if you have large windows that are easy to see through, especially in HO scale or bigger, it makes it really a fast and easy way to add some interior details without spending a lot of time and effort or money. And it does make everything a lot more interesting to look at with those interiors. And if you are planning on lighting your structures, definitely an easy way to do that as well with the Just Plug lights included. It's actually far cheaper to buy this kit for the Just Plug lights than it is to buy the Just Plug lights through Woodland Scenics directly. So definitely a great deal overall if you are using that system and you want some nice, good looking interiors for your structures. Anyway, that's all for now, and thanks for watching. Bye.